Our News 8.
Thank you, Pam. Well, if you suffer from sinus problems, there is a new treatment that could mean no more medicine and no more surgery. It's a medical breakthrough being used right here in Indiana.
Hi, Mark. How are you?
Sinus problems have interfered with 38-year-old Mark Kelly's life for years.
Just constant chronic sinus infections where it would cause me to miss several days of work. Pressure, drainage, all the nastiness that goes with sinus infections.
Mark's doctor, Dr. James Ulm, is the first in the state to use a new device for sinus sufferers. Dr. Ulm felt that a procedure called a balloon sinuplasty could solve Mark's sinus problems.
He has obstruction of this pathway from his frontal sinus down into the roof of his nose.
Here's how the balloon sinuplasty works. In this animation provided by the company that makes the balloon, you can see how a catheter enters the sinus cavity, releases a balloon that expands to unblock a blocked passageway. It works much the way an angioplasty works on a blood vessel in the heart. It's done on an outpatient basis and is less drastic than surgery.
We don't remove bone or soft tissue like we do with traditional sinus surgery.
Since this balloon sinuplasty isn't as invasive as surgery, recovery time is faster.
So far, people have had very little pain. They've all been able to resume normal activities the next day. Most of the patients have not taken any pain medicine.
Dr. Ulm considers this procedure a big breakthrough for the hundreds of thousands of people who suffer from chronic sinus infections.
I think it's exciting that we have something to offer people beyond medical management, but without having to resort to more radical sinus surgery.
Now, a footnote here. Mark's wife called us just a short time ago to let us know that his procedure went pretty well. He has suffered as many as 6 sinus infections a year, and he's hoping today's procedure will prevent future sinus infections for some time to come.
Iraq's new prime minister is pledging an iron-fisted crackdown on kidnappings and killings, which